15,000 sweldo, 3 anak, paano nakakaipon? Si Mark, siya ay supermarket staff, no? 15,000 pesos per month, yung kanang net salary, bawas na po yung mga deduction. Wherein, his housewife, wala siyang income, meron siyang 3 anak, at nakikitira sila sa bahay ng magulang niya. Ito yung kanilang monthly expenses, no? For their food, 7,000 pesos, electricity and water, 2,000 pesos, school expenses and allowance, 1,500, transportation is 1,500, load is 500, and for other household expenses is 2,000 pesos. Their total expenses is 14,500 pesos. Their money left is 15,000 minus 14,500. So talaga sinasadya nilang magtabi ng 500 pesos. After 3 years, no, 500 times 36 months, umabot na ang kanilang ipon ng 18,000 pesos at ginagamit nila ito for emergencies or any untoward incident po. Tapos dun sa mga special celebration guys, no, ang ginagamit ng ni Mark, no, nung tatay, nung ama, yung father is yung 13th month pay nila, no. Kumbaga during holiday season din talaga nila inuubos yon, talagang tinatabi lang yon, sineset aside yung ibang amount in celebration dun sa mga birthday, gano'n, no. So kumbaga nagkakaroon lang sila ng mga luho pag nabibigay na yung 13th month pay. Remember, ang pag-iipon ay nangangailangan ng disiplina at consistency. Gawing habit ang pag-iipon para sa oras ng pangangailangan ay may huhugutin ka. So that's all and thank you so much for watching.